Hello, you are welcome again to another new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic flicker text title. Basically, it's a flicker text animation tutorial in Adobe After Effects. So support me on this, hit the like button on the video, subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on the notification bell, and then get back to this. Let's get started. So I'm going to create a new composition, make the composition resolution 1920 by 1080. I'm going to leave it at 30 frames per second. You can use your own settings, then name the composition, then hit OK. Right click on your timeline, go to new, create a new solid, name it BG, and then hit OK. For the time being, we're going to hide this background and then come back to it later. Right click on your timeline and create a new text layer. So now you need to scale down the text size and then change the color to white. Any color you choose here does not matter. You can set your own color. Then align this to center and make a duplicate of the text layer by hitting Ctrl D on your keyboard. Now let's hide the top text layer. Select the down layer, right click on it, go to create and create shapes from text. Select the new created shape layer, go to fill and set the fill to none. Then go to stroke and set a color. You can set any color of your choice. Set stroke width to 2. On the shape layer, all these texts are broken into various shapes right here. Select all of them and then go to add trim path. Expand the trim path options, then move your time indicator to 2 seconds forward in time. Create a keyframe for the end and also create a keyframe for the offset. Then move back to frame 0, set end value to 0 and then the offset to 2 by 00. Hit U on your keyboard to reveal all your keyframes. Select all your keyframes, right click on them and then easy ease. Reduce the stroke width to 1 and go to Effect, Stylize and then select Glow. Set the glow intensity to 2, increase the glow radius a bit, and hide your text top layer, expand it, go to Animation and then add opacity. Set the opacity to 0. Expand the range selector 1. Expand the advanced option right here. Then turn on the random seed. Move your time indicator to 1 second forward in time. Set a keyframe for the random seed. And also set a keyframe for the start. Then move 3 seconds forward in time and set the random seed to 27 and set the start value to 100. Scroll down to smooth value right here, set the smooth value to 50 and then let's change the text color to something neon blue like we have in the stroke. Now make your background visible, then go to Effect and Preset and type in ramp. Drag and drop the gradient ramp effect onto your background. Then let's make changes to the colors right here on the effect control panel. So I'm going to set this white color to something deeper neon. Hit OK. Then change the ramp shape to radial from linear. Then swap the colors. Move this handle right about to the center and then set ramp scatter to 500. Now select the top layer, right click on your timeline, go to new and add an adjustment layer. Go to Effect and Preset and type transform. Add the transform effect onto the adjustment layer. Then move to 4 seconds forward in time. Set a keyframe for the scale value and then move to 0 and set the scale value to about 180. Hit U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes, select it and then easy ease. So I'm gonna go back to the first keyframe and change the value to about 140. That is it, guys. This is how you can create a cinematic flicker title in Adobe After Effects. Until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for Motion Digit Studios.